Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start exercise 5b. We have done question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. In question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, statement is given and value is also given. We put the value in the given statement and find out the value. For example, y is equal to 3 by 5 x plus 26. The value of x is given, we find out the value of y. Similarly, a is equal to y square minus xy divide 5, where value is x, y and z is given, we find the value of a. Similarly, in question number 3, 4 pi r square, we find the value of s such that r is equal to 10, 1 by 2 is given, and in the second part we find the value of r such that s equal to 616 is given. Similarly, in question number 4, question number 4 is just like previous question. First I read the statement, then we start. Our formula for finding the area of a triangle is given by a is equal to 1 by 2 b into h. This is the formula of triangle. This is triangle. Triangle means the shape which have 3 sides, 3 vertices. Got it? This is the shape of triangle. The area of triangle equal to a is equal to 1 by 2 b into h. B is the base and a is the height. Always remember, b is base and h is height, and a is the area, where b and h represent the base and height of triangle respectively. This is also given here. Okay, now you come on first part, a part. If b is equal to 20 centimeter, h is equal to 45 centimeter, find the area of triangle. Got it? The value of b and h is given, we find the area of triangle. Now we start. Exercise 5b. Question number 4. Given that a is equal to 1 by 2 b into h. In first part, b equal to 20 centimeter, h is equal to 45 centimeter, and we find the area of triangle, means we find value of a. Got it? Now put these value in the given statement and find out the value of a. Solution: a is equal to 1 by 2. What is the value of base? This is 20 centimeter. And what is the value of height? This is 45 centimeter. Okay, now this 2 cancel with 20, just like 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, and this 0 is as it is. A is equal to 1, 10 centimeter and 45 centimeter. Now we multiply by these value, then we get 45 multiplied by 10, 0 0 multiplied by 4 5, 450. Then we get 450. This is centimeter and this is centimeter, so that we get centimeter square. This is the answer. Got it? We multiply by these value, then we get 450 centimeters square, just like this. Okay, any problem? Simple, we use cutting 2 1 da 2, 2 1 da 2 and 0 as it is, so that we multiply by 10 multiply by 45, then you get 450. Now you get, come on, next part. If a is equal to 30 centimeter square and b is equal to 10 centimeter, find the height of a triangle. Its mean area and breadth is given. We find the value of h. Okay, now you come on next part. A is equal to 30 centimeter square and b is equal to 10 centimeter. We find the height of triangle. It means we find the value of h. Got it? Solution: now the area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. B is base and h means height. Got it? Okay, now value of a is equal to 30 centimeter square. We will place the value 30 centimeter square equal to 1 by 2. The value of b is equal to 10 centimeter. We replace it 10 centimeter. We find the value of h. Got it? Now look here, we cancel these values, just like 2 1 the 2 and 2 5 the 10. 2 1 the 2, 2 5 the 10. 30 centimeter square equal to 5 centimeter into h. Got it? This 5 centimeter is multiplied by h. When we shift into the other side, it will be divided, just like 5 centimeter equal to h. Okay, now these are cancelled, just like 5 1 the 5, 5 6 the 30, and these units are also cancelled. Then we get h is equal to 6 centimeter. This is the value of h, this is the value of height. Got it? A is equal to 1 by 2 bs. Value of a, area, and value of b, base, are given. We find the value of a, h, so that we get the value of h. H is equal to 6 centimeter. Got it? Now you come on question number 5. Find the formula of each of the following. Statement is given, we find out the formula. We will try to make a formula. Product P, product mean multiplication. You know that product mean multiplication. Product mean multiplication. Product P of three numbers, x, y, and z. It's mean P is the product of three numbers x, y, and z. Got it? Question number 5, A part. P is the product of three numbers x, y, and z. Got it? P equal to x multiply y multiply z. X is the product of y and y is the product of z. These x, y, z are multiplied because in the statement we have given product P of three number x, y, and z. Okay. Now next one is sum s. Sum mean addition. Sum s of the square of p. We take the square of p and the cube of q, and we take the cube of q. Got it? We take the square of p and cube of q. Okay. Sum s of the square. It's mean s equal to, this is b part, s equal to square of p square, and this is sum, and q. Got it? Sum of s, sum of s. Got it? Sum of s of square of p and cube of q. Okay. Now third one is average a of force number m, n, p, and q. Average a of four number m, n, p, and q. Average a, it's mean a equal to C part, average a, so that a equal to m, n, p, and q. Here there is given average, so that we will be divided by 2. Got it? Here there is given average, so that we will be divided by 2. Okay. Now last one is time t in the minutes for a train journey of A hours and B minutes. Okay. D part is time t, it's mean t equal to in minutes. 1 minute have 60 seconds, so that we write 60. Okay. For a train journey of A hours, A plus B minutes, then plus B. Got it? Time t in minutes for a train journey of A hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, so that we multiply by A with 60. Got it? A hours and B means it's A in the form of hours and B in the form of minutes. we multiply by a by 60 so that a is also convert into minutes, and this is always, this is also, yeah, this is already in the form of minutes. Got it? Now we have done 2 questions 4 and 5. Note down these questions. If you have any query, please inbox me. Thank you.